Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Google Gemini with your school or personal Google account so it recognizes your calendars and files. Once signed in, tell Gemini a specific study goal, research topic, 500-word draft, or flashcard set, because specificity improves results. Make sure to allow access to Docs and Drive when prompted, and optionally enable microphone for voice queries. These first steps link your materials and let Gemini fetch context. They save time later and make responses directly useful for your assignments. Now feed Gemini the materials it needs. Paste your prompt, rubric, class notes, or upload a file so it can ground answers in your content. Once done, structure your interaction. Request an outline first, then a draft, then revisions. This iterative approach yields cleaner work. Make sure to specify tone, length, and citation needs so responses match your assignment. If results are off, ask for examples or ask it to simplify or expand. That nudges the model toward the format you need. Finish by reviewing and editing Gemini's output. Verify facts, add citations, and adjust phrasing to match your voice before submitting. Once you're happy, export to Google Docs or copy into your assignment and save a version for tracking changes. If the model misunderstands you, try rephrasing the prompt, provide more specific context, or clear the app cache and restart the session. These fixes resolve most issues. If a result looks wrong, ask Gemini to explain its reasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.